Hey guys, Dan, House Washing Heroes, and today we are in North Lakes. So we're just taking care of 2 units in here, which were definitely due, and they're quite high. They're 3-story, but not too much of a drama. And just wondering if the body corporate might be seeing us and say, hey, they look so good, how about you come and do the rest? So we'll see what happens. So that's just on those 2 there, and it's come up very nice. The gutters were really green, really dark, and they really, these 2 that we've just done are now really standing out from the other ones in the area. So we've done the driveway as well. Paint is quite good. It's probably 5 or 6 years old, so but the paint to still come up that good compared to it looking like that. And you know, this sun just beats it up. So there we go. That's our morning jobs. And we'll have to check the system and see if any more have been booked in for us for this afternoon. But so far, so good. Loving this weather. All right, guys, have a good one. Bye.